Then high. Say I will say I deal winner. Yeah, and as I deal with the dawa. I mean issues. And sadly corona, Tinawa manasa between bio. What is wrong with us? What is actually wrong with us? I just want to know. Or the same June 3rd, can we see June 3rd, that can we see 4th, that we see 5th, or the same month, same day. Ow. Yeah, more bodo. What is wrong with us? Make me want to say, our mayors, our ministers, our technocrats, our engineers, our town and country planners, what is wrong with us? Then they are back. Then you see the so-called experts. For them, I don't blame them because it's not their work. Obian contractium. But I'm talking about the so-called experts in the ministry, in the assemblies. The so-called experts. They will rattle brofa kesiye ni infantini kwini nkran kesiye. Afe femo din. Echire din femo din. Na asabe bio. Ni abecho say the darks and then the you know the oh, right in the young people. This is interesting. And it couldn't get proper, tunnels for the water, the drainage system. It wasn't cool, and we could have fixed it and resolved. And there's so much plastic in the system, so there will be chokes. And technically, when it happens like that, the drains, the bigger one, yeah. Brofwa kesiye nkran kesiye mfante kesiye hwia kesiye ni arata ni akoda. Bible say okwadwufo kontete antwenhwe na kwan ni hunu nyansa adintia, because this same ant, it knows how to plan its life. Or so be mobo ebre so ne be chance beto, so they deal with time and season. So the little opportunity that they will get, and make a crowd won't be, that's what they do. So you have to store up foods. I also say, you have to stop at food for ourselves. So we don't know from one logo like, but career the only team no be a zombie. No more pushing crack. So I caught baby on so mu a store. Now for the aquacugo. Knowing very well, say there are times and seasons, and the times and seasons differs. They are not the same. So today, Ubenya dry season. But of course, the ant knows, say there will be a rainy season. Even the ant. But I say, Koko sechi anomano. Procrastination. Kasa yemframa. Let's begin to walk our talk. And then you see this minority. Because that time then this is a minority. And you see the Mombeba, Bechechim, and the minister is not doing his work. And the DND. And then also Obeti, the side of minority at this time, Rasisa, MPP are minority. Yes, the incompetence of the minister and the president, This should have been resolved. You can't win once a month. No, my baby can. One more time, then I'm going far home. One more time, and I Jesus can say something to go away and cry. And I'm more by then my phone. Yeah, by ya chibi biase. Quas ya samsa. Now, Fiasa, so near that team. And look at this for a video, how people were suffering. How people were suffering. Ensonija, sa near dinam kruma. Is it not the same thing that happened? The same ensonija. Except that this one there was no explosion. Of maybe a filling station, a gas station, bia. Sa kwa Mary goes round. Zana de boy kwa Mary goes round. Kwa no asaba bisi. Anwa na Ghana. Recycling of problems. Recycling of problems. And look at this. Makola also di enini. Maybe a central police station in the DNP. Oh. Very sad. And it is troubling and worrying. Very sad, troubling. And I'm down. Not because of say, not only Senko, I'm worried Senko for your man say properties and that, but say Yen free the past him. Yen bibi mami do or better of words, mami choose him. Say Yen bibi free yen past him. If you anyway. And so now I either on baby and so on that. So some baby and so on that. I teach him no. Your cousin, no. Kwame Anopɛ Machi. The agitation that caused some years ago, Amasa uprising ebaye. Kwame, yebetimi aka kire ho say ene June 4th yebedi amana yede. I saw birthday aso. Now birthday aso wa unim say nyama wa hihye no wan hihye ne mayi. Na yesu ayira fa by your own doing. Obekwa akogina baby akwa han baby say oh baby do birthday nana. That is not true. And obia serving prayers or teacher bra because why do you need you papa. I think say and this is best celebrated the uprising na June 4th na. Because some do party members nyina ko baby years ago June 3rd esi ya enran so ebi say esi also march nyina akọ because these were things that the young soldiers including the late Rawlings they were white. These are things that no more fighting for. But then what are we seeing? As our Kwabi Nyumo born Nigeria, do baby na mo pen cry and nyome. Everything scatter. Poor man they suffer. And that is what we are seeing here in Ghana. So I don't know how. And the general said don't ketia. And the party faithfuls, I don't be the uprising. And I'm just how things will be like. Because and am I a catcher to me the uprising didn't bring anything better. Looking at what is happening because of the foundation, the vision, the reason anti-ideas are uprising, and it is very, very worrying. Looking at the bloodshed, the cause, sorry. AFRC for bomb Madia say, Yade Ghana Sabeba Kabima min Kabi Mubium. What is the constitutional ruling? I don't think almost to me Emma Ayera Hilali man. What was a civilian government? And a realm wa abaye. Then you see 1987 they started 1979. Then almost some years later it happened and things was going on. And I'll pay if so what's a commemorating at the uprising. Me want to say about 46 years ago no and in the year they kai idea was a hey and say ye bu nkompo kwa ye chi ye hwe ne me see ye then we should be accountable to the people. If not, we should bow our head in shame without celebrating this June 4th. For so be any so. If we are still here and we are still in our ABC, then sebi in prayer. For so be any so. Now when you stood economics say, Masa. Nipa the new office say.
Oh yes, yes. Now also a technical advice at the Dr. Mamuba.
Na ofara chefo so. Ara catch you said yeah we me nibu kofo we. Ara me catch you say me video do akam kwa gwe. Say e ho asem beba. Ara me catch you say media ha me say after military hospital no after military hospital senka ye wia aka ye nya ni full capacity na nka over no che ka san komo ya ye dikie ni adenro amesa ma o se wua se sa building ya ekoso yi san so ye wia aka san komo enkie nu ha enti which one is good say enipa ne baba na ya born gala way ya born return na ya young video ni abe chastise administrators and doctors no and so pre-inform you says oh baby na abe call festa ebe bo anka di kan ko bozemon tiase because abaya ka say no bear syndrome no yatwam no bear syndrome yatwam na se monye de ya e de do mbe ko hwe ko bejesi ko sisi akore e bia kwa bramita aka no nya nu oro abo e bia onya nu brade behwe masa mo nya we ntina mo ba be ayo mo ba be tumani ta ase papa no so asam na okan na no kre space bia ni ho asate nura asam na okan no me se ye no kre say bia kwan of aso kan na mo mpa fine but you cannot deny what is reality yakwo asembe na mo
etina nkomo pese omo experience no bed syndrome so wo maso
udu ani apam na ke no so be ni me ko konfa no che apam me ko konfa no che
na se me ko konfa no che ya nya ba bia mama anna na me hu nipa efiri mu nti o mpese o motie no so
na yesi wo mu
ane o mpese o motie no so bi
do the right thing and we all be okay.
See, sometimes there's no sense.
There should be a system. There should be a system. You won't say case be but you say case no we dey ebia suntra su betimi kwara su betimi ana we betimi a na ehwo no within paramedics na wo ambulance ni betimi asustain ni pa na me aduru ha na de na akọ danse e be choki konfa no che ho no enye de yan ni mo nya de am ka say regional minister I like him but nyama bia o ye no eye tan because o ye medical o ye obi a wa bene o ye medical doctor. It matters on health. There should be your priority. And never for health. We shouldn't be hearing things about health under the administration, under the leadership of the Honorable Regional Minister. I'm going to time me. The legacy back also jam you say, Yanya SOMPA so a health system. I will come
because we are health professional.
And it's Kwame, me, Akwabase bia entertainment. Fashion, I know your bonus manu.
Yes.
Say yes. Minister, fashion, it is good. Entrepreneurship is good. But I know your bonus manu. But the nyama me de be marking the power back your health.
Yes.
Because on him the chair me, on him the chair obia so far Waba minister. He is a health professional, a very brilliant young doctor. It matters bordering on health should be prime. It should be his priority than BBR. What are you talking about? Saka oba ye na kia hu aferi hoi aferi military hospital ye na kia hu expansion na kokoso no moma ye hu se we aka nwura mo se ye nya nkane anko ne ade ma ye hu de wo ye ewo hu. These are matters of health. Ana wo na onim nipa wo ne ya because wo de otahu. Ana wonim niama ya avoidable. It matters on health there. Dr. Amwakohini should know better. He's doing well, fine on other, aspects. But when it comes to health, I'm not seeing the performance of the regional minister well. And we have to tell him the truth. We shouldn't be charitable because wabeye fashion show, entrepreneurship koso nano miana omusore kaka ni painting wasem misori jina na nechi say is one of the brilliant things I have seen when it comes to art and culture. I was a region among all us. We defended him, but I'm telling him say our man and in our pajan mu kakra our health. How do you sorry, I'm walking in the course health. Are you okay? And people cannot say because I want for me to attempt. The people who think say maybe they will 1 or 2 binti. But Charlie, we are building a region, not individual. We are building a region. It's in that the Ayaneba Mecca, the Ayaneba Mecca. I'm walking should rise up. Health facilities, improvement. We should see because he's a medical doctor. and you travel what health system and what places be tutu kwine ano ne person bat na ye di be raya hem idea say woni trim no on for me ram na de oye de me I'm not that person who talk against his TikTok and in social life no he can have his TikTok me TikTok in the family but when it comes to health amwakwa hene a performance na e wo fom ko me say afi we mu only apart from the other entertainment near the on che me bibi pa ko say bridge ba no di mirika koye we ba no di mirika koye apoto mu ko akosi sei ekoya na no na akosi sei o mu ko twa mu sunya kwan anu kura ahwe e da ho a fe no za akwa na sa ase aba I want to me say on page mu kakra especially our health side on lawyer mo akohini honorable page mu kakra our health wo now that is a legacy at least you be feel say yenya once upon a time yenya a doctor a brilliant doctor be regional minister now the o ye dia say me afanyina mu oh
Kwame na